I bought this webcam again at a really good price, like $4. Yeah, it's $4. And it's double quality tested. Glass, it has a glass lens. Integrated microphone. Works instantly for online meetings. Clip on or place on desk. Okay. Driver free installation. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. It's not no exaggeration, but yeah, it's the global brand of Sandberg. Sandberg Saver. Okay. Does it say anything else here? Like Sandberg USB online meetings, blah blah blah. Attach the camera easily on the blah 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 blah. Okay. Any more information? USB 2, cable length 1.4 meters. I don't know how much is it in hands or feet. Glass lens, high def. Okay, this is a lie. For ADP is not high definition by any definition. So yeah, it's VGA. Really bad resolution. Image sensor CMOS, 30 frames per second, 30 degrees rotable, okay. Auto white balance, color correction. Yeah, okay. And here's the company that brought it here to Romania. And that's about it. It's sealed with these stickers on the top, bottom. Let's take out the bottom one. I think it's easier. And let's see. Oh boy. And nothing else. Okay. So let's see. The cable with the ferrite thing. It's sticky or something. I don't know what's on this. Whatever. It's a USB 2. Yeah. Oops, I just touched it here. Oh, it's just a protective film. And yeah, let's look here. Focus. It's oh, that's the company. Denmark, made in China. Item number 33395. Yeah, not much here. So yeah, this rotates like this, and this opens up like this. So, and it said that it can sit like this on the desk. Okay, here is the connection guide or whatever. Oh yeah, here's the model number. I guess that's how you find this camera. You just point the cable like that, okay. On the monitor, on the desk, behind your head, whatever. So yeah, I'll remove this. I don't want it to be a problem when I check for quality. And I'm going to connect it to the computer and see how it is. I'll just pause the video now. Oh, I almost stopped it. Okay, just pause. Oh, we're back. So I'm here in OBS and I have the camera in my hand. I'm going to connect it to come on, focus. Connect it to a USB cable that is connected to the back of the computer. What do you call this? An extension. The computer recognized it, and let's see. Let's add the device, video capture device, to USB camera. Oh, this one, PC camera, whatever. Oh boy. Well, this seems okay. This seems okay. Let's add it. Let's try to make it big. Well, the resolution is crap, but it does something. My desk, my tools. Yeah, this is really bad. Okay, this is my garbage on my desk. And this is Dota that I was playing. Yeah, so I bought this because it was really cheap. And maybe this will be an outside camera. So put just in my window and record all the birds and the cats and the weather and the wind blowing the trees and stuff. So yeah, for that it will be good, I think. But here it's like 10 FPS or 12 in these light conditions. Maybe if I put it closer. Yeah, it's the same thing. And I'm pointing it to a 100 Hz monitor. Yeah. So for $4, Sandberg, or what's the name here? Yeah, Sandberg. I think it works. It works, but yeah, it needs a lot of light. And yeah, VGA, not high definition, just VGA. Let's see if we can do something in the configuration. Oh yeah, we can reduce the backlight. Wait, this just added backlight. What? The gamma. Let's reduce it. Okay. So you can do things like this. It responds. But yeah, some of the dials work in reverse. So yeah, anti-flicker. Now it seems to be better, but still just like 20 FPS. What can I? Yeah, if I can ask it to deliver a specific resolution. Color range. Yeah, so I'll continue tinkering with it for a while and see what it can do. And maybe I'll make another video if I find some major flaw or something really great. But if it's not important enough, I just leave it in the description. So yeah, see you in the next video.